this is what I'm dealing with. This road has just turned into a muddy slip and slide. A motorcycle slip and slide. The only thing I can do, turn the bike off, put it in first gear, and let the rear tire just kind of drag as I slip the clutch. And then I'll give it some front brake too. But it's really slippery. I'm not enjoying myself. I'm almost home free, but that river has, I don't want to say doubled in size, but it's bigger, and it's moving faster, so I'm pretty scared to go across it. Well, the rain is finally letting up, so hopefully, usually in Panama it rains from like 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock every day in the rainy season. You can almost set your watch by it. I don't know what time it is now, but it must be around 5 o'clock because the rain's stopping. Now I get to wait and hope that the rain has also stopped wherever this river comes from. I have no idea how long that will be. I've been walking in the sun a lot today, so I figured I would have a sunburn. But I looked at my arms and they were pale, pale white. Same with my hands. I mean, it looked like I really needed something to eat, but I wasn't hungry. I just wanted to get this over with and get home. So I did bring some snacks, a granola bar, some trail mix, an apple, I had another Gatorade. I drank all that. I got some color back in my arms and hands, and I don't feel like laying down and dying anymore. But it was weird because I wasn't hungry at all. I just had to eat. So hopefully this dies down soon.